Okay, explanation of puck lighting, and this is the fireplace. The security cabinet is the same way. So, and I will send you elevation views of these, but this first shelf is 56 inches off the floor, the bottom of it. So it's an inch and a half thick, so about 56 and 3/4. We need to have low voltage wire stubbed out on center and another wire in the same circuit stubbed out at about 72 and 3/4. The transformer will be stored in this cabinet. It will not fit in here. So we need to have an outlet in this cabinet, which is 18 inches off the floor and 17 inches tall, to plug in, controlled by a light switch on the wall someplace. And low voltage coming out of the back of the cabinet up the wall, stubbed out at 56 and 3/4, goes back in the wall and stubbed out at 72 and 3/4. And the security cabinet is the same thing. I know there's already some outlets in these cabinets, but an outlet controlled by a wall switch to turn these puck lights on is what we need. All right, thanks.